I think it's been really healthy. We have a great footfall because we are in a very prime location, and the product itself is about touch and feel. So most people want to come and experience the sofa, sit on it, and not just look at it and decide that they want it. Our material choices, of course, are sometimes led by what the consumer wants. But as a designer, we do want to introduce newer materials to our clients. Italian furniture industry is a few notches above ours. But I don't see us far from there at all. I think today the quality of the product available locally is on par in terms of finishing with the Italian designs. We started Magari 8 years ago with the intention of bringing good design at aspirational value to different customers. Design was the main goal there. At that point, we didn't have any homegrown Indian brands of furniture. And I think we were one of the first few to start a furniture showroom in Bangalore. Actually, Bangalore doesn't have any clusters or areas where there are a group or bunch of furniture stores. I think it's spread across the city, but it's growing. It's definitely growing. I see more brands now in Indiranagar, maybe not necessarily purely furniture, but related to home decor, home interior. Brands are growing definitely in Indiranagar. But we have very interesting stores all across the city. I think the general demand for good quality designed furniture has increased across the country, and especially local designs. So in that sense, it's earlier the idea of luxury was Italian furniture. Today the idea of luxury is completely changed, where we are promoting our own craft in the country that's available. So in that sense, it's really difficult to say that it's become a luxury to have crafted furniture which belongs to us and India as such. I think it's been really healthy. We have a great footfall because we are in a very prime location, and the product itself is about touch and feel. So most people want to come and experience the sofa, sit on it, and not just look at it and decide that they want it. So that way, a lot of people do come into the store for that purpose. And even though there are a lot of options available online, but I think having a physical store, giving you the experience in reality is very important for us as a brand. So I think yes, it's been good. I think definitely weekends it's always higher. Most architects would ideally come in during the week, but independent homeowners would come on the weekend as they're working through the week. That's the reason we have Magari open on Sundays as well. Right? Our material choices, of course, are sometimes led by what the consumer wants. But as a designer, we do want to introduce newer materials to our clients. Show them newer materials which they probably haven't thought of in furniture. But I see a strong inclination for natural stone today. A lot of people are inclined towards natural stone. Wood is of course evergreen, but glass, natural stone. In fact, we've used paper cord, leather cord for our furniture pieces. And I see a lot of tinted glass being used across different brands, different metallic finishes that are looking good. A lot of recycled materials also being used by different designers. I think it has to be a two-way, where we of course fulfill the demand that the customers want, but at the same time introduce them to newer materials. The sense of home. At the end of the day, it is going to be part of someone's home. So when you are designing a display of this sort, you should create a sense of warmth in this space. It's very important to kind of show it the way a person would see it in their homes. So that's very important. I think location of the store is crucial in terms of visibility, accessibility. We are a retail store, so from that point of view, we need it to be accessible for people to come in and pick up the furniture, at a convenience to them. I think I see more and more architects and designers foraying into product design. I think they found a new expression that used to happen at a per project basis. Earlier, an architect or an interior designer would design a special piece for an individual client. But today I see more and more designers trying to create products for a larger audience. So, and I see collaborations growing between architects, designers and manufacturers, or design houses collaborating across the board with students, probably young designers. So I think it's an upward growth that I see. Most of our products are all components, maybe sometimes from outside, but all our furniture is manufactured by us. We cannot deny that the finesse that we see Italian furniture industry is a few notches above ours. But I don't see us far from there at all. I think today the quality of the product available locally is on par in terms of finishing with the Italian designs. And design-wise also, I see us moving like we are on par. I don't see ourselves. I don't think we should compare it in terms of who is better. I think we should just celebrate the fact that it's different, right? Their way of thinking is very different, and our cultural sensibility, I call Indian cultural sensibility, is very different, right? I don't think we should be comparing it. We should just be celebrating the difference.